see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day.
Hi, little stars. I'm Blaze.
And I'm River. And welcome to Little Stars Garden Grooves.
Today's party is all about something we all have every single day.
Feelings.
Not just happy feelings, not just calm feelings, all feelings.
Because feelings have a job.
Yep, feelings are like little messages from inside you.
And before we sing, we're kicking off with our shout out wall. Shout out to our feeling detectives. If you can notice a feeling like, something's happening in me, give me 2 gentle nods.
Shout out to our message finders. If you've ever asked yourself, what is my feeling trying to tell me? Point to your heart like this.
And shout out to our kind feelers. If you let someone else have their feeling, without teasing, give yourself a soft hug.
Oh, I love that wall. It's shiny and smart.
Because when we understand feelings, we understand ourselves.
And you know what else we need?
A joke?
A joke. Knock, knock. Text. Text from my heart. Ding dong. You got feelings.
Messages everywhere. Let's start the party with a song that reminds us feelings don't stay stuck. They move.
All right, little stars. Are you ready to sing, groove, and glow? Because it's time to let your energy flow.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 what do we know? Feelings grow and go. Feelings are the signals in your body and your brain, telling you it's glory in sunshine or rain. Happy pops up quick, sparkle in your chest. Think it might be loud, kinda like a quest. Sadness is a raindrop rolling down your day. Worry is a whisper saying slow down. Hey, every single feeling has a message you can know. When you listen to your heart, you help your feelings grow. Feelings grow, feelings go up like a firework, down like the snow. Feelings grow, feelings go. They change and shift like a winding road. Feelings grow, feelings go. I can learn what they're trying to show. Yeah, feelings grow and feelings go. Sometimes they start tight, teeny like a bubble in your tummy. Then they get louder like a beat that sounds rumbly. Feelings can expand like a balloon in the sky, or shrink back down when you breathe real high. You don't have to chase them, don't have to hide. Just watch that wave like an ocean tide. Big or small, fast or slow, feelings come
And feelings go.
Clap one time if you felt surprised. Clap 2 times if tears filled your eyes. Stomp 1 time if you felt mad. Stomp 2 times if you've ever felt sad. And now where your hands for the feelings you know. Watch them ride, watch them grow. Feelings grow, feelings go.
Woo! That song reminded me. Feelings don't last forever. They grow and they go. It's time for the feelings forecast.
Not a weather forecast, a feelings forecast.
Today's forecast is feelings are messages. They're not here to ruin your day. They're here to tell you something.
Feelings can tell you what you need, like help, rest, space, comfort, or a turn.
And feelings don't always use words. Sometimes they speak with clues. Feelings clues can show up in your body, your thoughts, and your actions.
Body clue. Maybe your tummy feels fluttery. Thought clue. Maybe your brain keeps replaying something. Action clue. Maybe your feet wants to stop or run. First, we name the feeling.
Then we ask, what's the message?
Let's do a quick message match. Clue. My throat feels dry.
Message, water.
Clue, I want to snuggle close.
Message, comfort.
Clue, I'm stuck and I'm making this face.
Message, help.
And that's the feelings forecast. Feelings are messages, and you can learn what they're saying.
And now we've got a song that says it loud and clear. It's okay to feel how you feel.
Hey, 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 hey. Feelings change all day, and it's okay, okay. Sometimes I wake up with a smile, sometimes it takes a little while. Sometimes I'm quiet, sometimes I play. My feelings move in their own way. Big or little, fast or slow, they come and go like water's flow. I take a breath and softly say, it's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. Every feeling gets a say. Sun or rain, night or day. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. Feelings shift, but that's okay. I can learn from what they say. It's okay to feel this way. Sometimes I feel a little mad. Sometimes I feel a little sad. Sometimes I dance and shout, hooray! Feelings come to help me grow today. Soft or strong, they're mine to know. Like colors in a shining rainbow. When I can't find words to say, I whisper, it's okay. It's okay to feel this way. Every feeling gets a say. Sun or rain, night or day. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way.
All right, little stars, time to play Riddle Me This.
Get your thinking brains ready. Riddle 1. I'm invisible, but I can lead the way. I can say food over here without using words. I help a whole team move in a line. What am I?
An ant trail.
Yes! Ants leave a smell trail on the ground, kind of like a secret path. When one ant finds food, it can leave that path so other ants know exactly where to go. The more ants walk the trail, the stronger it gets, so the message gets clearer.
Just like feelings, when your body keeps giving you the same clue, that message is trying to be noticed.
Okay, next riddle.
Riddle 2. I'm small, I'm buzzy, and I love flowers. When I find something yummy, I wiggle to tell my friends where it is. What am I?
A honeybee.
Yes, bees do something called a waggle dance. It's a real dance bees use to share directions. The bee wiggles its body to show which way to fly from the hive and how far the food is.
So it's not just a silly dance, it's a message dance that helps the whole hive.
And feelings are like that too. They're messages that help you know what to do next.
Riddle 3. I stand up tall and scan the land. If I spot danger, I sound an alarm so everyone can hide. What am I?
A lookout.
Like a meerkat. Meerkats live in groups, and while some are eating, one meerkat may stand up high and watch. That meerkat is the lookout. If it sees a predator, it makes a warning sound, like danger. Then the whole group knows to get safe.
So nature uses signals to protect the group, and feelings can be signals too.
When you learn your signals, you can understand your feelings better, because they're trying to tell you something.
And speaking of signals, our next song helps us do one of the best first steps, naming what's inside.
Hey, what's inside? Let's name it, yeah! Knock, knock, nada, 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 nada. There's a little world inside of me, a place where all my moods can be. Sometimes bright like sunshine glow, sometimes slow like falling snow. A flutter in my chest might mean excited, a stomp in my feet might shout ignited. Every mood has clues that guide, I just learned to name what's inside. Name what's inside, say it out loud with pride. Happy, nervous, silly, shy, words help make the wise nearby. Name what's inside, help. Name what's inside. Say it out loud with pride. Curious, worry, calm, surprise. Words help make the clues realize. Name what's inside. Let your inner voice guide. When I find the word I need, my heart feels understood indeed.
Little stars, now it's time for a throwback groove.
We're bringing back a favorite. Feelings are welcome here.
When the chorus hits, welcome wave, heart tap, then freestyle.
Sometimes I smile, sometimes I frown, sometimes my thoughts spin all around. I feel so much inside my heart, but sharing feelings, that's the start.
Welcome wave,
Heart tap.
freestyle.
Joy or sadness, love or fear.
Welcome
Big or
wave.
small,
Heart tap.
loud or low,
Freestyle.
I can share and let it show. If I feel tears, I let them fall. If I feel quiet, I tell it all. A hug, a word, or just a sigh. I can name it, I can try. Feelings
Welcome wave,
Heart
are
tap.
welcome here.
freestyle.
Joy or sadness, love or fear. Big or
Welcome
small,
wave.
loud
Heart
or
tap.
low,
Freestyle.
I can share and let it show.
Woo! That felt like a big warm welcome.
Because feelings are welcome here.
Now it's time to spin the star wheel.
Let's see today's surprise. It landed on message moves.
Here's how it works. I'll say the message, and you do the move.
Message, I need to move. Move, march in place for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Message, I need comfort. Move, big hug. Then soft shoulders down.
Message, I need help. Move, raise your hand and wave it once.
Message, I feel frustrated. Move, stomp, stomp, then exhale. Let's do it one more time.
Message, I need to move. Move, march in place for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Message, I need comfort. Move, big hug. Then soft shoulders down.
Message, I need help. Move, raise your hand and wave it once.
Message, I feel frustrated. Move, stomp, stomp, then exhale.
Great job! Message is heard.
And now we end with our shining favorite.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the little stars garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the little stars garden, where dreams begin to grow. So come along, sing our song, let your little star glow. Little stars garden, let's shine.
Little stars, today was awesome.
Now you know something powerful.
Feelings are messages.
And messages help you understand what you need.
So if a feeling pops up this week, you can say,
What's the message?
What's the message?
Thanks for singing and grooving with us.
Don't forget, there's a brand new exciting episode of Little Stars Garden next Saturday.
We can't wait to see you back here for another Grooves party.
Listen in, name it gently, and let your
feelings guide your shine.
See you next time,
little star.
Come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky.
Bye.
Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine.
Bye.
Together we play.